Ever needed to send a message on Teams that you absolutely can't miss? Something that needs to grab your team's attention right away? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to use a simple Teams feature to make your messages stand out as important or even urgent. To get started, go to your chat window. Instead of just typing and sending, click on the plus icon next to the message box. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for Set Delivery Options and click on it. You'll see 3 options: Standard, Important, and Urgent. The standard option is what you use for everyday, regular messages. But if you have something critical, you'll want to use one of the other 2. I will select Important here. You can see how the message box now has a red I important. This is a great way to visually flag a message. This is perfect for reminders or updates that people need to see, but that aren't a full-blown emergency. For example, reminder, tomorrow's project deadline is at 3 p.m. Please upload your final reports before then. When you send this, the message will have a red exclamation mark and the word important next to it in the chat feed, making sure it gets noticed. Let's see how it looks on the other side. Oh, received this message. From here we can see this message has been standing out with red exclamation sign. When I click on the message, there is important tag on the message as well. Using this feature is a simple but effective way to prioritize your communication. It's best used for critical updates like a change in a meeting time, a final deadline, or an important announcement. Just be sure not to overuse it, or people might start ignoring your important messages.